Welcome everyone. We will do the revision of networking. A computer network enables two or more computers to share data and peripheral devices. They communicate with each other as well as work independently. They can also share printer modems and other peripheral devices. As computer networks is a network of two or more devices which are connected together to share the resources is computer network. And peripheral devices are those devices I told you in earlier video, those which we externally use with computers are peripheral devices. Examples, pen drive. So we can combine two or more devices to share the resources that will make a network. Some advantages of networking are efficient use of storage media, as only by the help of network we can efficiently use the storage media, we can efficiently store our data. As in network, we can combine many devices by which we can store the data efficiently. Preserving information, we can take the backup of the data very easily. Reduction in hardware cost, if we have more than one computer together, so we don't need other resources, that means we don't need the hardware, so it will reduce the hardware cost. Efficiency will be increased as the updation will be easy. Adding and deletion of the data will be easy. Redundancy means duplication of data, so duplication of data will be reduced due to networking. Quickest document delivery. Quickest document delivery, the example is internet. By the help of internet, the document is delivered very fast. Networking components. Computers and other devices that communicate with each other on a network called node or station. Cables are the most common media of communication. Other medium include optical fiber, wireless transmission, and satellite signals. So many devices which are connected together are called nodes or workstation. And the medium of combining them is most common medium for combining them is optical fiber mainly we use for the internet, and the wire cables, like we use data cables. And wireless medium, wireless through wi-fi and hotspot, we use various networking components. And satellite signals, satellite signals we use for the television. Types of network on the basis of geographical basis, there are the three types of network: LAN, MAN, and WAN. And LAN is local area network, where two or more computer and peripheral devices are connected within a small area, such as room, office, building, or a campus. So devices together for a small area like a school, a home, or office campus. There's the example of LAN. And as you make a network by using hotspot and Wi-Fi at home, that is also an example of LAN. MAN is metropolitan area network. MAN is larger network than LAN network. It spread across a city. For example, a city cable which spread across a city. That's the example of MAN. WAN, wide area network. Two or more computers located at faraway places. They are linked by communication facilities like telecommunication or satellite signal. For example, an internet, as somebody is sitting in somewhere else in other countries or the faraway places, can access the other data with the help of internet. That is the example of WAN. Network architecture, basically there are the two types of network architecture: peer-to-peer network and client-server network. Client-server network, it is a network where several computers are called clients or workstation are connected to the main computer called server. So in client server, there is a one main computer that will is called server, where the actual data contains, and the other mobiles or computing device which are connected to from that main server are called clients. Peer-to-peer communication in peer-to-peer is a network where a few computers having equal capacity and capabilities are connected together to use the resources available on the network. So those network which in which several computers are connected together to use the resources one by one. Each and every computer are connected with each other, that is peer to peer. Every single computer is connected with the every other single computer. Network security, the most important aspect in computer networking is data security. Networking security means protecting data and resources from accesses by unauthorized person. Security is very much important in network as various devices are connected together. So security is very important except in networking. There are the two types of security: login security and write security. In login security, we have the unique name and the password. In write security, based upon the username, you have the rights of read only access and read write access. If you have read only access, you can only access the data. If you have the read write access, then you can change the data also. That is your for the network security. That's all for your revision, and you all have to complete your work. Whatever you all have to watch the videos, and you all have to attend the Zoom meeting, complete your worksheet, and submit your homework on time.